Okay, it's like Christmas every Tuesday and Wednesday around here at IBB. It's our biggest receiving days. So today, Andy and I are gonna show you what's in this box. What do you think it is?
Maybe a cocktail table.
Cocktail table, I don't know, it's pretty big. So let's get going. Okay, so take two, because Andy and I actually thought this was a chandelier, huge big box, but it's actually a sculpture. So this beautiful bonsai in gold. So great on an entry table, make a huge, massive statement on dining room, buffet. So many places that you could use this. We get about 200 boxes a week, and this is one of the guys that's opening these to see all these goodies. So something unique for your home, not what your neighbor is gonna have, instant gratification. Come check out and see what's new.